Stop saying give in professional English. If you want to sound more confident and formal, say this instead. Allocate. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine, one powerful English word every day to improve your vocabulary and help you speak confidently. Today's word is allocate. Allocate means to distribute or assign resources for a specific purpose. It's commonly used in business, finance, and management. When you say allocate, it sounds more strategic than simply saying give. Allocate. Repeat after me. Allocate. She allocated her time to high-priority tasks. That means she distributed her time strategically. We allocated the budget to marketing and development. This sounds much more professional than just saying, gave money. The company allocated resources to improve efficiency. It shows planning and strategic decision-making. In a business meeting you can say, we need to allocate more funds to innovation. This sounds professional, structured, and leadership level. Be careful, don't use allocate for very casual daily actions. Wrong. I allocated my sandwich to my friend. Correct. I gave my sandwich to my friend. Allocate is mostly used in formal or professional contexts. Let's review. Allocate means to distribute or assign resources, especially in professional or business situations. Now write your own sentence using allocate in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time. See you tomorrow.